A good e-commerce website builder makes it easy to set up an online store, accept payments, ship orders, and get people to visit your site. Since we used almost every website builder on the market, we feel that Shopify is the best choice for most online stores. It comes with everything you need to start, and you can grow as big as you want. Shopify is our top choice for most people because it has everything you need to start, run, and grow an online store. Millions of online businesses in 175 countries use the platform to run. Shopify can help you with everything from SEO and email marketing tools to dropshipping and payment processing. Just sign up for a free trial that lasts 3 days and choose the plan that works best for your business. Start with an e-commerce template, add your own content, and watch your online store take shape before your eyes. Number 1. Shopify. The best e-commerce website builder for most. Shopify is a one-stop shop for creating an online store. No matter how large or small, Shopify has the tools you need to make your business thrive. The feature-rich platform and a drag-and-drop page builder gives you an easy path to starting and launching your online store, even if you have no prior experience. There are even numerous free and premium store themes you can use to kickstart the design process. Without ever touching a line of code, you can have a well-designed online store, complete with shipping, taxes, inventory management, fulfillment, and support for social media sales, and in-person sales as well, all in one place. Shopify Payments is included with every plan and allows you to start processing credit cards and digital payments like Google Pay. There's no third party to worry about sharing information with, and Shopify Payments is activated the moment you sign up. From built-in marketing tools and digital gift cards to shipping discounts, unlimited products, and support for 133 currencies, the platform is packed full of valuable features you'll need as you launch your online store. If you need more functionality, there's an app marketplace with more than 4,000 plus free and premium apps designed to extend the capabilities of your online store. From email marketing and social media integrations to shipping platforms and special discounts, there's an app for nearly everything you can imagine. We were also very impressed with Shopify's customer support. Whether you have a general business or strategy question or a technical question about the back end of your website, Shopify's customer service team is ready to help you out any time of day. You can reach them via live chat 24/7. In our experience, their response time is nearly instant, so you never have to wait around for hours in full-blown panic mode waiting for a response. There are 5 Shopify plans to choose from, including Starter, $5 per month, only includes shoppable links. Basic, $39 per month, $29 when billed annually, plus 2.9% fee on credit card transactions and $0.30 per transaction. Shopify, $105 per month, $79 when billed annually, plus 2.6% fee on credit card transactions and $0.30 per transaction. Advanced, $399 per month, $299 when billed annually, plus 2.4% fee on credit card transactions and $0.30 per transaction. Plus, starts at $2,000 per month for large stores. The starter plan doesn't include Shopify's page builders. We don't recommend that unless you already have a website set up elsewhere or you are just planning to sell on social media with links. As such, we highly recommend starting with the basic plan. It's more than enough for most users to get started. While the basic plan and marketplace apps work perfectly for most users, you can upgrade to a higher tier when you're ready for more advanced features and functionality. And as always, the Shopify team is ready at any time to walk you through using all of these new capabilities to help you get the most out of your upgrade. One important consideration to note is that you have to pay additional transaction fees on all plans unless you use Shopify's built-in payment processor. This won't be a deal breaker for most users, but it's something to think about. Number 2. Web.com. Most powerful inventory and fulfillment features. Often with website builders, you must make a choice early on between something easy that you can get set up in no time and the powerful features that can kickstart your web store's growth. You don't have to sacrifice with Web.com though. You get a famously user-friendly web store creator, plus tons of features that help you sell across multiple channels and track your inventory. Let's start with their site builder. Web.com offers you 2 ways to whip up an e-commerce website. One is to use their WYSIWYG site builder to build your website yourself. with drag-and-drop functionality for moving elements around and a solid set of templates to give your new site a good-looking foundation to start from. You'll have all the tools in place to build an online store to fit the vision in your head. But let's say you need a web store yesterday. You don't have time to get in the sandbox and build one of your own. That's where web.com rises above the rest. They offer in-house web design to any customer. Give the pros at web.com all the details of your business, products, customer base, and goals, and they'll deliver a sleek, SEO-friendly, and fully built-out web store that your company can deploy right away. And they'll do that with clear communication every step of the way, from the initial getting to know you call to learn about your business and strategy, to a welcome call and walkthrough of your newly designed site before it goes live. In either case, building your web store is only half the battle. But web.com has your dreams of rapid growth covered as well. By opting for web.com's e-commerce premium plan, you're afforded a ton of ways to sell more products or services well beyond the reach of your website. House inventory regionally for quick fulfillment to any customer. Find additional sales opportunities on some of the biggest shopping and social platforms on the internet, and automate large portions of the inventory and order management processes. Web.com has the tools in place to handle all of that and more. Even if your company isn't large enough to need these tools, you can rest assured you won't outgrow your web.com online store just because your revenue is moving in the right direction. Best of all, this won't cost you an arm and a leg. For now, grab a year of web.com's e-commerce premium plan for just $24.95 per month. That's actually cheaper than a lot of other web store building options mid-grade plans. Number 3. Wix, the best for quick implementation. Wix is an incredibly versatile drag-and-drop site builder that turns non-designers into website building pros. With it, you get everything you need to start and launch your online store, including a free domain name and nearly 1,000 pre-made templates for every type of online store you can imagine. Our favorite thing about Wix is that it doesn't charge any additional transaction fees, so you get to keep all of your hard-earned money, aside from standard payment processing fees. Other options charge upwards of 3% or more on top of processing fees, so Wix's 0% offer is outstanding. Wix boasts over 50 secure payment providers, all meeting PCI DSS compliance standards, and TLS 1.3 encryption comes standard, so everyone's data is kept safe from prying eyes. That's a boon because nothing syncs an e-commerce store faster than a data breach, or even just a web browser flagging your web store as potentially unsafe. It's also dead simple to learn and use. Once you get the hang of it, you can easily make changes, update your site at will, add new products, and manage your orders with ease. There aren't any limitations on the number of products you can have. Plus, there are no caps on the amount of revenue you can generate from your online store. Other providers cap these to force you to upgrade to higher tiers, but Wix doesn't. You can theoretically make millions and sell thousands of different products on the lowest tier. With that said, the most significant limitations are storage space and included features, so it does make sense to upgrade at some point, although you wouldn't feel these limitations if you're just getting started. The cheapest plan comes with 20 gigabytes of space, plenty for most stores, abandoned cart recovery, and the ability to sell on social media. You can also leverage Wix online booking platform to sell services and classes, host public or private events, and manage online orders for delivery or in-store pickup. You also get access to 975 plus pre-built design templates you can use as a starting point for your online store.